So we are live. So welcome everyone to the contributor experience upstream marketing team. So today is August 7th, 2020. So I'm your host, Rajul. I'm filling in for Matt, who couldn't be here today. So I volunteered for this. Even though this is my first time hosting, so I hope this goes well. Note that this meeting is recorded and will be posted to YouTube. So we abide by the CNCF code of conduct and please be excellent to each other. If you can put in your name in the agenda link is in the chat. So anyone new to this call and want to introduce themselves?
Love us some newcomers.
Please.
Hi, folks. This is John Troyer. This is the first call I attended. Matt, I was talking to Matt this week, and he invited me to drop in, and so here I am. I've been peripherally involved with Kubernetes for a while, and with working for different companies. I've worked for VMware for a long time. Worked with a bunch of different companies. Currently working with Oracle Cloud, but not here officially representing them in any way. So.
Awesome. Welcome. Good to see you here, John.
Yeah, welcome, John. Happy to have you here. So we can, like we do every time, we can go around and we can see how we are doing. So it's just four of us, yeah. Yeah, Brent.
I mean, I can start if you want. How you doing?
Yeah, sure.
I'm doing good. Woke up in a lot of pain this morning, but I'm managing that, and I'm happy that it's manageable. So yeah, doing good. I had a new thing to show off with using my iPhone as a camera, but it's just not working right now, so I'm sad.
Okay, maybe next week.
Definitely next week.
Yeah. So anyone else?
Yeah, well, Friday night, 8:30, I guess this meeting goes as the last meeting of the week. So I always feel like, okay, this is the last thing I need to go through. That's it. So pretty good.
Yeah, the same with me. Anyone else want to say how you're doing? How are you staying sane or anything? Okay, so we can jump into the agenda. So do we have any updates or big wins for this week? Okay.
I'm trying to think. Everything jumbles together. We did get scheduled tweets out the door this week, right?
Yes, I've seen a couple of them.
Yeah. So that's like a win to me. Like we're actually using that tool now. That's good.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can jump into discussion. So editorial, do we have any updates on the editorial? Okay, so we can go to the next one. So we contributor tweets GitHub repos. So I've made an initial pull request with the basic info. So Caslin is supposed to add the other info on top of this. So the second thing is, the merge feature doesn't support fork pull requests. So we might have to remove this for now or look at other ways to do this.
So what functionality are we losing exactly?
So we can't schedule a tweet using the GitHub on a specific day.
Right. Okay. So we lose scheduled tweets, which I feel like is kind of a big deal.
Yes. So the way
this is a good tool for just firing off tweets, right? Like, but I think normally most of us, when we sit down to like do a tweet or whenever we sit down to do a bunch of tweets, we schedule them, right? And if we can't schedule them out, like, if I sit down today and do early next week's tweets, I would want to schedule them and not being able to do this merge thing, which I'm still like, I still don't quite understand the error. Can you explain it to me a little better, maybe? Like,
Yeah. So I did comment on the PR. So basically, the
yeah.
authors of the tool doesn't wanna do the merge, the schedule feature using a fork repo for some security reasons.
Huh.
So
Okay.
basically, how it works is, so the merge, basically the schedule feature is a GitHub action, which basically merges the PR at that specific time on a specific day. So I was thinking we can look at other ways to do that. Maybe we can see if the CI/CD, the Prow bot can do it, or we can add a custom GitHub action for that.
Yeah, I wonder if we could set up Prow to like, once
Yeah.
everything's approved, wait until the scheduled time to actually merge. That could be a good route.
Yeah, maybe we can explore on that side and then take a call next week.
Yeah. There's got to be some way to have some like timed release thing, because we do that with, you know, security releases and stuff. So got to be some way to do it.
Yeah, we can explore the Prow feature for that.
Workgroup infrastructure would be probably the best place to look, like Dims, Nikita, those folks probably be like the best people to bounce that idea off of, if that makes sense.
Okay, I'll see if I can reach out to them.
Cool.
So the next item on the agenda is calendar walkthrough. So I checked. So we don't have anything big. We only have a sub-project, mentoring sub-project meeting coming up on 11th. I was thinking, I've looked at the participants. It's pretty low. So I was thinking if we can tweet on this as well.
Where's the link to the calendar? I'm sorry, I gotta find it again. Which meeting was it?
The mentoring sub-project.
Yeah, we should definitely tweet about that, right?
Yeah.
Like, I think we should definitely tweet about that. I am trying to find.
Mentoring sub project, we have
Yeah.
an Apex specific call as well. I'm not sure if that's still
Yeah,
continuing.
it happens in 2 different time zones.
Mm-hmm. And who runs that? I think it's Marky, right?
Yes, but I guess Marky is not doing it nowadays. I
Oh,
saw
he's
notes
not.
from him.
Okay.
Probably
So
he would be out for a couple of days.
Yeah, let me check and see who's running the project before I just start firing off tweets or whatever. Dream subproject. Kubernetes. But yeah, we'll need to touch base with them before doing that. But yeah, we should at least help them wherever they think we can. Does that make sense?
I was thinking we should come up with a policy if someone wants to market their meetings or calls or anything.
Yeah, like because they would need to come up with certain calls to actions or whatever, and every week it would have to be like a different tweet. So it'd have to be some kind of, because you know, like we have, it's you know, we have these standing meetings, and I feel like there should be just like this like go-to place, like the standing meeting. This is going to be their tweet this week, right? And it's just like a file sitting there somewhere. Maybe, does that make sense?
Maybe they can just create an issue. We can make a PR on that maybe.
Yeah, that too. That would be easy. But like, I want to like streamline it even more for those recurring meetings type things, you know, especially ones that we know we're going to be marketing every week. So something to consider at least.
So the tool can't do that. I mean,
the tool does, but like the request process, I think is
okay.
a little like the template. I think we need still to hammer that out, if that makes sense.
I guess Matt had a PR open for that.
Oh, he did. Okay, cool.
Yep.
Sweet. All right, so wait on that, and then that'll probably be easier all by itself.
Yeah. So the next item is tweet drafts.
Sorry, Rajala, just I pinged this in the chat. I believe that's what the PR is. I'm not sure what it is.
Let me look real quick. Let's see. Revise comms template. Yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he
Yeah, once-
cleared out a ton of stuff. Okay, cool. He made this
Yeah.
a lot simpler looking.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, we
thank
should
you.
start marketing it once we have it merged.
Exactly.
So next thing we have is tweet drafts. I guess Kathleen is gonna do it sometime later, maybe. Okay, so the other item is issues. We don't have any issues as of today to discuss. It's empty.
Okay.
So yeah, so we have a pretty short agenda. So does anyone have anything to discuss or anything you want to talk about?
I just want to thank everybody for their hard work on this. I mean, this is not trivial stuff, and it's going to make a big impact in the long run. So thank you very much for being here and helping and showing interest.
Yeah, definitely. We have been doing a lot of good work. So if there's nothing, yeah, so I guess we are done for this meeting.
Sweet.
Yeah, Matt would be surprised
Yeah.
if this short.
Matt would be so proud.
Yeah.
Weekend comes 45 minutes early today. Thank you.
John, was there anything that you wanted to discuss specifically?
No, I actually just wanted to drop in.
I mean, anything you're
Probably should
curious
drop
about?
I should probably drop back into the Slack.
Mhm.
And I'll try to be sticking my head in a little more and seeing where I could help out.
Yeah, we're here every Friday. Same bad time, same bad channel.
Awesome.
Cool.
So
Yeah.
hopefully
Thanks for showing up today.
Nice. That was a short one. I'll go back to my cup of coffee.
Yeah, actually, I'll probably go walk my dog before my next meeting. Great. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Nice seeing everybody.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.